Managing scheduled searches in Splunk can become difficult as environments grow. Inefficient searches, high skip rates, excessive frequency, and misaligned time ranges can negatively impact platform performance and resource utilization. Atlas Search Hub provides a search governance framework that continuously monitors scheduled searches in your Splunk environment against rules you define. Start by navigating to Search Hub and selecting the Rules tab. Here, you'll see a list of all available rules along with how many scheduled searches they impact and whether they're currently enabled. Search Hub includes pre-configured rules that help identify common issues, such as high skip rate, high frequency, or misaligned time ranges. You can quickly enable or disable each rule using the toggle on the right. These rules continuously evaluate your scheduled searches to highlight inefficiencies and potential performance issues. To create a custom rule, click Add Rule. Enter a name and description, then define your condition using SPL logic. This allows you to target specific search behaviors based on metadata, like runtime, frequency, or resource usage. Once complete, click Add Rule to save it. After making any changes, click Save Changes to apply your updates. Search Hub will prompt you to rerun search governance. You can choose to run it immediately or wait for the next scheduled run. Rerunning ensures your new or updated rules are evaluated right away. And that's it! With rules configured, Search Hub can automatically monitor your environment and find opportunities to improve performance. Atlas by Presidio. Know your data, own your outcomes.